All right, so we had not very much data back in the old days, and at the time you didn't think about it that way. Didn't feel like you didn't have a lot of data. But looking back at it now, wow, we had nothing. Almost nothing. We had no idea really what our customers were doing, how they were using our products, what our competition was doing. It was just a vast wasteland of a lack of information about what was going on from a data perspective compared to where we are now. The reality is there is too much data. That is true. You're getting way too much information. You're getting way too much data dropped on the marketing experts, and so how do you make sense of all of this data? You can get lists of customers. You can get all kinds of data off the internet right now, but what do you do with it? How do you make sense? How do you find the insight in the data that becomes information that you can then action? That's the biggest problem that we have right now in the market. And my opinion from a marketing perspective is, how do you make sense of all of this data and refining it down to the key insight? That's really the critical thing to get done right now. The most amazing thing that's happened over the course of the last few years is big data. And what big data enables is the ability to take the scale of information, the scale of data that we've never seen before, and put it all into the Cuisinart and spin it around and finally start seeing things that you could never see before. So the opportunity here is massive. Now, to be fair, I've only seen a few companies who are really well leveraging big data to get the right level of analytics, because the expertise required is a very specific set of skills. And one of the companies that's doing it well is iDataLabs, but there are only a few companies that really understand big data and can execute it well.